guys, it's your girl Matt Cox with MA Couture Crafting, and today I'm just popping in to give you a quick hack. So this is the issue. I recently bought a Janome HD9 sewing machine, and I used to sew on a Singer Quantum stylus. So at the bottom of the stylus, you can see the bobbin. You can see the bobbin through this little window, and now my Janome is side loading and I can't see what's going on down there. Okay, there's nothing worse than having to change a bobbin, but on top of that, there's nothing worse than sewing, thinking that you have bobbin thread in there, and you don't. Yes, there are different sounds that it makes. Yes, you can sometimes catch it. I get it. People have been sewing on their machines forever. They can hear it, blah, blah, blah. And sometimes I can too, but sometimes I can't. I think we have all continued sewing and looked and said, oh, come on. I think it's happened to everybody. So one of the ways to kind of stop that is I'm marking my neutral thread. So I use neutral thread to piece with. I'm sure most of you guys do too. I piece with like a parchment color. And so I've decided to start marking about a yard, maybe 2 yards of thread with a marker. So I just put it down and I pull the thread through. You'll see me do it coming up. And that way, when it winds down and I'm sewing, after I finish sewing, I flip it over and I'm like, hey, it's time to change my bobbin before it runs out. Imagine that. It's just a really simple, quick hack, guys. It saved me a few times now. I've been doing it since I purchased a machine for a couple of weeks, and it totally works. If you do 2 yards, you will probably see it. I mean, it's very seldom that you're sewing that long, that straight, but blah, blah, blah. You guys get it. You get it. So go on ahead and give it a try. I like using the Friction pink highlighter because it has the largest tip and it's super simple to do. I just pull out like 36 inches, maybe longer. I put the marker on there and I just start pulling the thread through the marker, and then it looks pink. And then I spin it. I take the end and then I spin it on my little bobbin. And then after I finish sewing, I do the same thing that I always do, which is flip over my seams to make sure that everything is everything. And voila. It's just like receipt register tape. When you start seeing the pink, you know it's time to change it. Just that simple, guys. All right, so if you'd like to actually see it in action, go ahead and keep watching. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment. I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, you know this is a journey. So I show you the things that I do that are smart and the things that are just not so smart. This is not so smart. This marker tip is way too small. It's what I had on hand. I thought I had some different markers, but this is what I could find. So I ran to the store and grabbed the Friction highlighters. This is a new set. And I grabbed that pink out of there, and this was easy peasy lemon squeezy, just like that. You just drag it through and make sure that you give yourself enough thread, because remember, you're going to lose some of it when you put it through the bobbin. And I also tried a fabric marker. With the fabric marker, that's permanent, and so it won't disappear with the heat. But the Friction pen works just fine. See, it's perfectly pink. You can totally tell. Not an issue. Watch, when I start winding it, you will see it go from being pink to white, which was really fascinating to me. So I went ahead and threaded the machine for the bobbin winding and threw it on there. Bloop. And then we went ahead and turned it on, and it starts pink. Now it's white. What? Perfect. That's what we want. Now you don't see any more pink. And we just let the bobbin wind up. I tried to see what would happen if I tried to wind it and mark it at the same time. That was not going to work. Do it the first way that I showed you. And now I will show you what it looks like on the fabric. You see that pink? It is time to change the bobbin. Now as we go down, you'll see where it changes back to white. I hope this hack helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.